Welcome back to our channel, folks. Today we're diving headfirst into the exciting world of affiliate marketing for beginners. If you've ever wondered how to make money online, you're in the right place. Affiliate marketing is like a modern-day gold rush, and in this video we'll be your trusty guides showing you the ropes step by step. But first, let's break it down. Affiliate marketing is a lucrative online business model where you promote products or services created by others and earn a commission for every sale or action generated through your unique affiliate link. It's a win-win situation for both you and the product creator, as you get a piece of the profit pie for each successful referral. Whether you're a newbie looking to escape the 9-to-5 grind or a seasoned marketer seeking additional income streams, this video is your gateway to understanding affiliate marketing. So don't forget to hit that likes button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights, tips, and strategies to help you succeed in the vast world of online affiliate marketing. Let's get started. Making money online through affiliate marketing involves several key steps and strategies. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Choose your niche. Choosing the right niche is a crucial decision when starting any online venture. A niche is a specialized segment within a broader market. To select a niche effectively, consider your interests, expertise, and passion. It's essential to choose a niche you genuinely care about because you'll be creating content and engaging with the subject regularly. Additionally, assess the market demand for your chosen niche. Is there a target audience with specific needs or problems? Research the competition and potential profitability. A balance between your passion and market demand is key. A narrow and focused niche can help you stand out and establish authority more quickly. However, ensure it's not too small that it lacks an audience. Ultimately, your niche should align with your goals and resonate with your target audience, making it easier to create valuable content and succeed in your online endeavors. 2. Research affiliate programs. Researching affiliate programs is a critical initial step in your affiliate marketing journey. It involves identifying and evaluating affiliate programs or networks that align with your niche and goals. Start by exploring reputable affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Shareasal, or seek out individual affiliate programs offered by companies within your chosen niche. Scrutinize the commission structures, payment methods, and cookie durations of these programs. Additionally, assess the quality and relevance of the products or services they offer to ensure they resonate with your target audience. Look for programs with a good track record of timely payments and robust affiliate support. Thoroughly researching affiliate programs helps you make informed decisions, setting the foundation for a successful and profitable affiliate marketing venture. 3. Select relevant products or services. Selecting relevant products or services is a pivotal aspect of a successful affiliate marketing strategy. When choosing which items to promote, it's imperative to align them closely with your niche and cater to the specific needs and interests of your target audience. These products should resonate with your content and seamlessly fit into the narrative you're creating on your website or platform. By maintaining relevance, you enhance the likelihood of capturing your audience's genuine interest and trust. This trust is crucial because it encourages users to consider your recommendations seriously. Additionally, focusing on relevant products or services ensures that your marketing efforts feel authentic, preventing your content from coming across as overly promotional or spammy. In essence, the key to effective affiliate marketing lies in your ability to match the right products with the right audience within your chosen niche, ultimately increasing your chances of conversion and earning commissions. 4. Build a website or blog. Building a website or blog is a fundamental step in establishing your online presence for affiliate marketing. A website serves as your digital storefront, a platform where you can create, curate, and share content related to your chosen niche. To get started, choose a domain name that reflects your niche and register it with a domain registrar. Next, select a web hosting provider to store your websites, files, and make it accessible on the internet. Choose a user-friendly content management system. With your website or blog in place, you can begin producing valuable content and incorporating affiliate links to start monetizing your online efforts. 5. Produce quality content. Producing quality content and strategically inserting affiliate links is a crucial aspect of successful affiliate marketing. Quality content means creating valuable, relevant, and engaging material that addresses the needs and interests of your audience within your chosen niche. Whether it's informative blog posts, in-depth product reviews, engaging videos, or compelling social media posts, the key is to offer content that genuinely helps and informs your audience. 6. Analyze and optimize. Analyzing and optimizing are critical aspects of any successful affiliate marketing strategy. After implementing your affiliate campaigns, it's crucial to regularly assess their performance and fine-tune your approach. Start by scrutinizing data such as click-through rates, conversion rates, and sales generated through your affiliate links. Identify which products or strategies are yielding the best results and which may need improvement. With these insights, you can optimize your content, keywords, and promotional methods to maximize your earning potential. Continuously testing and tweaking your approach ensures that you adapt to changing market dynamics and audience preferences. By maintaining a data-driven mindset and making informed adjustments, you'll enhance your affiliate marketing effectiveness and increase your chances of earning higher commissions over time. 7. Diversify income sources. Diversifying income sources is a strategic approach that involves expanding your revenue streams beyond a single channel or income generator. By doing so, you spread risk and reduce dependence on one source of income, enhancing financial stability. In the context of affiliate marketing, diversification may entail promoting multiple products or services within your niche, affiliating with various affiliate programs, or exploring alternative income avenues like sponsored content, digital products, or online courses. This diversification not only mitigates the impact of potential fluctuations in one affiliate program, but also increases your overall earning potential. It's a smart way to adapt to changing market conditions and ensure a more sustainable and resilient online income. 8. Stay updated. Staying updated in the realm of affiliate marketing is paramount for maintaining a competitive edge. The digital landscape is in constant flux with search engine algorithms, advertising platforms, and consumer behavior evolving rapidly. To thrive in this dynamic environment, affiliate marketers must vigilantly monitor industry trends, SEO best practices, and changes in affiliate program policies. Staying informed about emerging technologies and marketing strategies can lead to innovative approaches that enhance your campaign's effectiveness. Regularly engaging with affiliate marketing communities, attending webinars, and reading industry publications will keep you abreast of the latest insights and tactics. By staying updated, you not only remain relevant but also position yourself to adapt swiftly to shifts in the affiliate marketing landscape, ensuring sustained success and profitability. 9. Patience and persistence. Patience and persistence are the cornerstones of success in affiliate marketing and indeed in any entrepreneurial endeavor. Patience entails understanding that building a profitable affiliate marketing business takes time. It involves enduring through initial challenges, slow traffic growth, and modest earnings without losing hope. Persistence, on the other hand, is the unwavering commitment to your goals despite setbacks and obstacles. It means continually creating quality content, optimizing strategies, and adapting to changing market conditions. Persistence is the driving force that keeps you going when faced with rejection or when your efforts don't yield immediate rewards. In affiliate marketing, those who persistently refine their approach, learn from failures, and adapt to industry shifts are more likely to achieve sustainable success, eventually turning their dedication into a lucrative income stream. Thank you for joining me on this journey to explore the exciting world of affiliate marketing for beginners. I hope you found this video insightful and gained valuable knowledge on how to make money online through affiliate marketing. Remember, success in affiliate marketing takes time and effort, but with dedication and the right strategies, you can achieve your financial goals. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts, please leave a comment below. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on affiliate marketing, online entrepreneurship, and ways to boost your income. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on our latest videos and join a community of like-minded individuals on their journey to financial freedom. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.